When I hear about Soto Zen, people often say gradual enlightenment or whatever, but so this gradual enlightenment is pretty much like through Zazen, you achieve some particular state of mind. That's what you mean?
Not at all.
Oh, really?
So it's not about achieving some particular state of mind. It's not really gradual. It's sudden, but it's sudden. But what that means is that already Buddha awakening. Buddha means the awakened one, but it also means awakening, and that is something that's always available to everybody. So when we sit, we are sitting like Buddha. We are upright, relaxed, aware, paying attention. We sit in Soto Zen with our eyes open, facing the wall usually, and facing ourselves and facing all beings. So the Zazen practice is the samadhi of all beings, the concentration, the awareness of all beings. We don't do this alone. We sit together in the meditation hall, but we also sit together with all beings when we sit just by ourselves in our home. We're together with all beings. We realize our deep communion with this deeper reality that includes everything. So it's not about, so the first time you sit, Dogen says, the first time you sit, all of awakening is there. But we practice regularly, daily or many times a week, over years, because that unfolds in many ways. So it's not about reaching some particular state of mind or state of being. It's not about getting rid of thoughts. It's about being present in the middle of our life, being fully present to our life and for our life and with all beings in our life. And how do we express then this deeper awareness that is immediate? It's not that we gradually realize it. We may gradually realize how this is already present, but it's not about finding out something that's not already here.